So today I'm here with Mocha at the Horseshoe Bend Park, which is on the linear path here in Battle Creek. And we're standing on one of the little platforms that overlooks the Battle Creek River. There's some ducks swimming next to some snow out here in the water. I'll show that to you in a minute. But wanted to talk to you about today the linear path. Now it's winter time right now and you'll probably see a little bit of snow happening. So it is cold out here, but this is a path that circles the entire city, and you can go and start at many different points throughout the city. And I'm going to show you a map as I'm doing this video. And what I want to do in this video is show you some segments of the linear path at this time of year around the city of Battle Creek, and hopefully people will see this as one of the biggest advantages of living in Battle Creek, is you have this wonderful, well-maintained walking path that circumnavigates the city. And there's a lot of wildlife and a lot of private areas where you get some, trees and some rivers and lakes, and it's just a wonderful asset to the community. So that's what I intend to show you here today. What you're looking at here is a map of the linear path around Battle Creek. And this little green line shows the linear path on one section. And then this red line is also called the linear path and around this section. It also has an extension off of it that goes around Fell Park up here. And I showed Fell Park in another video. It also has a loop, a 1 mile loop that goes around Cobb Park, around Spring Lake, and you can watch another video I have on that. It cuts through the Lila Arboretum, it follows the Kalamazoo River, and then it branches off and picks up the Battle Creek River, goes all the way up to Bailey Park, right next to the dog park, and continues on past that and does a big loop. It also branches off and becomes the North Country Trail and continues as the linear path out towards the Fort Custer Cemetery. And there's other branches that they are going to be adding and connecting later on to loop other pathways in the city. So it's quite an extensive set of trails, and it's a nice walking path. It's mostly paved, and you can see that there's quite a bit of distance here. I believe the green one, it says 10.5 miles on the green loop. The red loop is 6.9 miles. And so today I'm going to be starting at Horseshoe Bend Park and walking up along the Battle Creek River up to what they have marked here as the Verona Dam. If you look that up on the Google Maps, it's also called the Wagner Drive Waterfall. And this is a short walk, but it is kind of cold outside in winter. And so I'm just going to show you that segment of the trail. It looks different certainly in the summertime when it's full of green, but this time of year, obviously it's winter, so it's going to have a different aspect to it. But we're going to take a walk and show you this area of the trail. In future videos I'll probably do a more extensive video on the linear path showing various segments from around the city as I hike them. standing here at the Wagner Waterfall. That's what I've heard it called. And it's part of the linear path here in Battle Creek. Has a great overlook, and you can see that you can see pretty far up the river. And over this way you've got the sound of the waterfall a little bit behind me. So great place to come if you're visiting Battle Creek. So if you liked today's video, then please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will bring you more content real soon.